Hello, everyone. My name is Liberty,
I'm Disha.
Alex.
and we're here to introduce you to the subject of political science and what it's like to study it as your major in college, especially at NC State. When we think about political science, the first word that comes to our minds is the word government, but it is so much more. It is a vast subject consisting of many other fields such as public law, public policy, and international relations. So, how exactly do we define political science? In the simplest terms, we can say that political science is the scientific study of government and politics at local, state, national, and international levels involving the public. It deals with the analysis of political behaviors and activity. It is a subject of the humanities stream and is therefore a part of the CHAS, the College of Humanities and Social Sciences at NC State. Next, I would like to call Alex to help us understand the importance of studying political science at NC State.
So uh, 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 our major is housed in chess, and there are many uh, 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 benefits for students here. Um, um, they they can uh, learn from and spe uh, 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 speak with people um, uh, who uh, uh, who have done uh, 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 who, with people who have done work for the state and uh, 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 he- uh, here at state um, uh, you can choose to uh, 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 um, uh, 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 focus on many fields. Next, I'll pass it on to uh, 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 Disha.
At NC State, political science is a part of the School of Public and International Affairs. It looks into the content related to the political process and explores the consequences of the actions of the public and the government. In this school, the students work along with faculty members and are also provided with various opportunities in the field, such as internships in the halls of Congress and other places where the implementation of government policies take place. You might be surprised to know that 49,282 degrees were earned in the field of political science in the year 2020 to 21. So now let us look at the degrees available in political science. One can earn a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science and can further receive a master's degree and a doctorate. This degree can be put to use in a variety of career options. We obviously have the work opportunities available at the three different levels of the government: federal, state, and local. Then there are three non-profit organizations to work for as well. There's international affairs, private businesses, media, marketing, education, and last but not the least, the corporate market as well. So now we know what to do with the degree in political science. But how exactly do we get one? Next, let us look at some of the courses available at NC State in pursuing a major of political science.
Uh, there are two main courses courses uh, for this major. The first one uh, looks into the uh, 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 issues in politics. And then the second one looks into the um, uh, uh, thinkers Lincoln and uh, 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 Roosevelt. Next, I'll turn it over to uh, 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 Liberty.
For our deeper dive, we decided to write a spotlight on a research paper by one of the faculty members teaching political science at NC State, and we decided to look at the work of Professor Michael J. Stroop. His work mainly focuses on the role of international organizations in world order and norms in politics. The research paper we looked upon was about why the International Criminal Court must pretend to ignore politics. The paper mainly talks about the importance of political science in the criminal justice system, and that no matter what stand the International Criminal Court takes, it will always be on the bad side of one party. This makes it seem difficult for the court to make the public believe and trust the system for the decisions it makes. These points are emphasized by the author with the help of an example of a Sudanese president who misused his power to cause suffering and mortality for the kingdom's public, and the need for a fair and just system to prevent such extreme circumstances from happening. That is all we have from our end about the study of political science and its place in NCSU. Hope that it gives you some idea